bit. Can you believe? Got a family of mice living under the pond. Oh, there's one there. See it then? And we'll zoom in here and there you go. It's down there, it's on waterfall, having a drink. You can't see it. There's a lot of little mice, they must have had babies. But they're brave, because they keep coming out, running about. One just run past my leg in corner there. One of the little things, little field mice. Yeah. So hang on, we're going to like stop raining there. Yeah, it's all matured that. I'll have to have a look how many weeks ago did this pond. All plants are growing back over now. We've got some surely over some stones that hang over the side. They hang at about 6 inches water on a mat, so they go all the way around now if I pull the edge up. It's all looking good now, stones blending in. Big chap's blending in there, reading his book. You see him at different angles. Yeah, it's looking alright, it's all cleared up. See everything. Oh, there it is, the monster. From the art lily. Nice of that. There it is. Morning feast. Yeah, it's looking alright now. All getting overgrown now, that mind your own business, it's growing back now. It died off, but it's all growing back, so the spread along there soon, more time. Catching hold everywhere. All these little boots and crannies. And that loves it on the rocks, I don't know what it is, that one. It's a little yellow flower, like an alpine. Grows its roots in there, it lies on the rocks. I'll just kick over all the gaps and boots and crannies. Yeah, it's not run out of my dad's pond. That was my Uncle Brian's. That's Carol's dad. I'm going to ask her if she wants that because it was her dad's. Same dog as what I used to have. I used to have one called Benji or Benny. Can't remember. It was an old English sheepdog. Yeah, this garden was flooded the other day. It was up to the dog's back leg there. It's just drying out. Yeah, it's terrible flooded. It was up to that square on that part. There. That's how deep it was. Right over them bent legs, can you see where the watermark is? That's how deep it was in water. But there you go. That was that. We're not doing no work on Henry's pond because he's ordering, well, he's getting some wood. We're doing it square around there. So instead of going in out nooks and crannies with wood, so it should look alright. I think we'll be doing that next weekend, I don't know. I'm back at work Sunday night, me, aren't I? So we'll see when I can get his wood. Right, we'll get it done Sunday if we can get it Sunday. Not all day Sunday, aren't we? Yeah. We'll have a look. Anyway, see you Sunday, hopefully doing that.